Hello, this is Rodrigo, and in today's video we're going to go to the core reason of why only 5% of market participants in crypto actually take all the profits. Many data points tell us that 80% of market participants enter during peaks, right? 80% they download the exchange app during the peaks, right? So if we have a look here, so basically all these peaks here, that's when 80% of people enter, right? So they come into crypto thinking, okay, how can I make money here? Day number one, they are already in the losing side of the trade. Okay, there's nothing they can do, they will lose, right? So that's 80%, that's a lot, right? So let's get over this. So let's see this. So 80% are already losing day one. 20%, they arrive during non-peak times, right? So they come in at the right time. However, what happens during the peaks psychologically, right? Psychological forces take over. If you check on Twitter, for example, on Twitter you can check, for example, you can check the word Bitcoin and you can check during the months of the peak and you can see that 99% of people are extremely bullish. So what happens is those 20%, they could take the money of these 80% that come in, right? But what they do, they don't actually take the profits. Only a very small percentage, about 5%, actually take the profits at the peaks. They're not greedy and they take the profits, right? Only 5%. And so what happens in crypto is that all this money flows to the hands of 5%, right? They enter in the right time and they exit. They're not too greedy, they exit during the peak bull markets, right? Maybe not exactly the peak, but around that area they're taking massive profits. So this 5% is what I call crypto sharks. I want to introduce this new concept of crypto sharks. Crypto sharks are not whales. Crypto whales, people talk about crypto whales. Whales are just somebody that has a lot of crypto, right? Maybe the profit comes up, the profit comes down. So crypto sharks are the 5%, right? They come in at the right time and they leave, they exit, they realize their profits at the right time. So let's go to the fundamental reasons of how they think differently, how they operate differently. Is it because they are geniuses, or maybe they just have a very simple approach? Counterintuitive, but simple approach. So let's divide the market into two buckets. The crypto sharks, that 5% that takes all, and the crypto fish, the other 95%, right? Let's see how they think. So the fish believe the crowd narrative that this time is different, right? Because of the current news. So the news, what's going on in the world, makes them think that this time is different. This is very core to the 95% of the market, right? The sharks, they ignore the news completely. They don't care about the news, they don't care about the crowd narrative, they don't care about what's going on in the world. They only focus on historically accurate long-term data. The past. That's the only thing that they care about. They don't care about news, okay? Fish seek confirmation of their favorite influencers before making a trade, right? But this is horrible because, again, during the peak, 99% of people are super confident that it's going to go up, right? So if you're seeking for social validation, if you're seeking for the confirmation of other people, you're going to lose 100%, right? Sharks make counterintuitive, lonely trades, even if no one agrees with you. So if you're taking profits in the peak, you would feel extremely lonely because no one is taking profits. Really, no one is taking profits. So again, during cycle tops, 99% of people are telling you to buy. So this is how it feels like to be a crypto shark, right? You have all these people screaming for you to buy, And you're this person he is saying, you guys are all wrong. All of you guys are wrong. This is how it feels like to actually make profits in crypto and to keep them, which almost nobody does, right? So when the market moves against them, how do them both react? So the fish FOMO because there might not be another opportunity. So this idea of this is the last opportunity to buy because it's going to go up, or the last opportunity to sell because it's going to go down, right? So they have this emotional, impulsive reaction, right? The sharks, they stay calm because there is always another opportunity if I'm patient enough. This idea of I just need to wait for the right opportunities, right? Fish think they are geniuses and are emotionally attached to their thesis. Like if you tell them that they're wrong, they get emotional, right? While the sharks understand that there might be a chance that they are wrong and they're not emotionally attached to any thesis. Okay, they are completely open-minded. Fish react to the price, sharks predict the price, right? Fish chase the market impatiently. They're chasing the market, while the sharks, they wait patiently for the right opportunity to come to them. So this idea of patience is super important, right? So this is the core philosophy of the sharks. Patiently wait for the right opportunity. Wait, okay? Plus, counter trading, this idea of going against everyone. Laser focus on long-term data. Ignore all influencers, crowd narrative, and current news. Honestly, influencers, influencers how people lose all their money, right? They're the crowd. Influencers are the crowd, right? So that's the formula for life-changing profits in crypto. The core fish formula. So impatiently chase the price because this is the last opportunity. Here, key sentence. This is the last opportunity. You will see a lot of them saying this. Plus, ignore long-term data because this time is different. So again, this time is different and this is the last opportunity. Very, very core to their philosophy. Plus, they buy into the influencers, crowd narrative, and current news. They look at the news, look at what people are talking about, and that convinces them that this time is different and this is the last time, right? So again, this is the formula for life-changing crypto losses. So this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. The crypto sharks, such an important concept that I'm introducing here, and I will be talking about more in the next videos, okay? If you like, subscribe, like the video, and I see you in the next one.